Welcome to my channel. I am pretty new at this. I am learning how to paint with acrylic paints in this form, and please ignore those dirty fingers. I've been painting and have black paint on them, which is the base of this painting. I am painting over an old painting that I did not like, so I've made a base of black acrylic, and I have this funnel here that I am adding white paint with a little bit of floral in it, along with a light blue and teal green, which both are 2-to-1 paint and floral. I think it helps with forming the cells, as you see, and I'm just moving the funnel around on the canvas to try and make some shapes and cells form. So let me know what you think. Also, if you have any ideas of different colors you would like to see, write it in the comments. I'm just adding paint as I go. I am still learning how to do this. So if you would like, press that subscribe button and learn with me. It is fun to see the outcome of the art. I used to be a sketch artist, and I can no longer do that because I have arthritis. So I've decided I would try a new medium of acrylic fluid painting. So I like the way this one came out. I think I'll keep it. I am thinking about, once I get better, maybe selling. So if anyone out there knows a good outlet to sell paintings, let me know. Also, let me know where you're watching from if you have any ideas for me. I really do love this art and would love to keep going. Any other techniques that you would like to see, let me know, and I will try. I've been trying everything that I see online. The only thing that I've really had trouble with is using the hair dryer. I haven't figured that one out yet. I don't want to put a lot of videos up with a hair dryer and a mess. I've put quite a few messes up just to show the progress. So let me know any ideas that you have. This one, I think I'm going to keep it black on both sides, and it looks kind of like a cool little pattern down the middle. So I'm going to keep it as is. Just move those cells around a little bit, and we'll see how it dries. It always looks different when it dries. So once it dries, like I said, this is over an old painting that I didn't like. It was one of my first paintings that I've put this over that I thought was good. And I might think this one is good at this moment, and a month from now not think it's any good. So let me know your thoughts, your feedback, ideas. I would truly appreciate it. Wishing you all a great day, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.